Okay, welcome to the Google Drive and linking it to the campus. And I learned about this because in Canvas we have an instructional design site. So it gives us different tips and tricks and things to use for the faculty, we can share with the faculty. One of the things that I wanted to do this for was because a lot of you, when you're creating your syllabus, you can create it doing a Google Doc and then link it to Canvas, and then when you change it in Google Doc, it'll automatically change in Canvas for you. So that's one way you can use it. You can use it for collaborating with the students. So if you create a Google Doc, or if you create PowerPoints, or if you want your students to add to the PowerPoints, you can do it that way as well. So you can collaborate with them. You'll see who's been editing the doc, the PowerPoint slides, or if you want to do it in a spreadsheet, you can go into Google Sheets and create Google Sheets, and if you want the students to add anything to the sheet, then they're able to do that. But for the purposes of this training, I'm just going to show you how to, and I'll share the link with you on Drive. I'll send it to you. And so if you all put your name down on a piece of paper for me, then I can just send it directly to you. And then if you talk to other people that would like to do it, then I can, you can share the link with them as well, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to be able to do is you want to be able to create your syllabus doc. I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. This is an example of a syllabus. I don't have really anything. I just copied it from one of the other professors' syllabus and took most of the stuff out. But so this is the example of the syllabus. Once you create your syllabus, though, the important thing is that you're going to click on File, and then what you want to be able to do is you want to be able to publish it. I already published it for the sake of me using it, but when you create your own Google Doc, just click File and Publish, okay? And the way and everybody knows how to create a Google Doc in Google Drive.
So you have to actually create it, a Google Doc.
It would be helpful if you go back over that.
Okay. So in Google Drive, up here, where you see these little 6 buttons here, if you click on it, all you have to do is come down here and click Docs, Sheets, or Slides, okay? For example, I'm just going to click Docs here. And then if you want to use one of these documents, create a report or whatever, use one of the templates that Google already has, then you can use one of their templates, or you can click on the blank document here.
Oh. Yeah, see, I've never initiated one.
Okay. So as a result, you can create, you can start writing your syllabus. If I can spell, it's not typing because I didn't. S-Y-L-A-P-U-S. And then you're going to click. And so when I hit Enter, if I click up here in the title area, it'll automatically create that title for me. And then click File. And then you're going to, you're supposed to be able to save it. Well, let me go back out of here. Okay, down in Advanced, so you're going to click File, Advanced, and Publish to the Web. Okay, and then click Publish to the Web. I'm not going to use this one, but that's how you do it. So those are the steps that you need to take. So I'll come out of here and I'll go back to the syllabus that I created. And so for the purposes of this particular one, it's already published. So when it's published to the web, what it's going to do is going to put this little address up at the top. and that's the address that you're going to copy when you get ready to share it. So you can click on share, and then here on your, I always go down to advanced because I like to make sure that I'm checking to make sure it's not private, the document is not private. So what you want to do when you click on that advanced, the word advanced down at the bottom, you want to make sure that you can click the link to share, okay? And anyone that has access to the link, they can either edit or view, okay? So for example, if I just want them to view it and I don't want them to change anything on it, so I can just click anyone with the link can view, or anyone with the link. So I have anyone at UNCG who has the link can access, okay? And then I change it down here that they can view, because I don't want them to change the document, okay? And I click save, okay? And then all I have to do is just copy this link. So I'm going to copy the link anyway, all right? And I have a purpose for that. So when I go into Canvas, I already have this page, so you're going to create it. You're going to go into your pages, and you're going to click, and then up here it will say Add Page over here on the right-hand side. Since I already have this page up, you all know how to use Canvas. So all I have to do is click on Edit. And here I just typed in syllabus test. And over here it has the HTML editor. So when I'm going to give the link that I'm giving you, you have to go into the HTML editor. When you click on HTML editor, you know you're in the HTML view because you have this rich content editor show up. And the rich content editor shows you the images and everything like that. The HTML editor is just the HTML information that you're going to put here, okay? And so what I already have the link up. So this is the share link that I'm going to send you, and it's the iframe link. So if I copy this link here, and then go over to Canvas, I'm in HTML view already. I'm going to paste that link into the HTML view, okay? Now remember I told you that share link that we had from the syllabus that I created? Right here, remember? We have to copy this, and when I go back into the Canvas, you see where I have Google Doc link here? I'm going to highlight this. Keep those quotes up, so you have to do it in between the quotations. And I'm going to paste that link from the Google Doc in that area. Always remember to save, because you'll go back. If you don't save it, you're going to lose it. So once you save it, you'll see that the document will go directly into Canvas page, into the Canvas page. Now, how you know it works? If I bring up this syllabus test here, because you see this little green line, it has my name. You can't see it very well here. Oh, okay. So you see how it highlights my name? So if I go back over into that syllabus test, and for example, if I want to put the name of the course here, let me go out of here, done. And if I click the name of the course here and say, Introduction to Nursing, then if I go back into Canvas, you'll see that it changed. Okay? So, and that's all you have to do. I mean, it's a simple little tip and trick that you can use for your syllabus. You can use it for any of the documents that you want to use it for. And it's simple as that. And that's it.
What was the part about highlighting Google Docs once you got it in there?
Okay. Remember when we saved it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll leave this up. Okay. So we saved the syllabus, right, in Google Doc. And remember you had to click on share,
Right.
right? Once you click, you want to get the shareable link, or you can, so when I click on get shareable link, it copies it to the clipboard, or you can just copy the link from here.
Okay.
Click on copy, right? And then when you go back over into the Canvas, remember that link I sent you? When you go into the HTML editor, right between the quotations where I had Google Doc link, I paste that link there. So then once I come down here to save it, it'll bring up that syllabus that I created in Google Docs.
So we have to, you're going to send us an HTML code.
Yes, I'm going to send you the
We
HTML.
first paste the code in there.
Yes.
And then we paste the link for the document into
In that code. Yes, within
Does
that
make
code.
sense, Debbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
I also created a little video that I'm going to put up on the website. So it'll be there. So if you need to, if you forget anything here or you miss a step, you can see what I did in the video. And I'll add that to the website under the blog.